Your smile is perhaps your best feature, and now more than ever you want to protect it. April is Oral Cancer Awareness Month, and from the folks from Great Expression Dental Centers, they are here to help us identify any potential dental problems that can be harmful. Here with us today is Dr. Andrea Mier and her beautiful patient this morning. So great to have you ladies on the show. Talk about, well, first of all, talk about who you guys are.
Great Expressions Dental Centers. We have multiple locations here in Southwest Florida. We do all different types of dentistry, specialty. We do it all.
And so we're talking oral cancer, and it's Oral Cancer Awareness Month. Why is it so important to raise awareness about this?
You know, oral cancer is not a rare disease. Over 45,000 new cases are diagnosed each year, and over 13% will die the same year as their diagnosis.
That is just crazy, and it really can happen to anybody. You know, I was asking you during the break, when I think of oral cancer, I think of maybe people who smoke or something related to that. But this can happen to anybody. We're talking even teenagers, right?
Yes, everybody is at risk. Oral cancer affects people of all ages, races, and ethnicities. And even though smoking and alcohol use are still major risk factors, you know, the fastest growing population of oral cancer patients are young, healthy, non-smoking individuals because of the correlation between oral cancer and HPV.
Well, obviously we want to know, how can we protect ourselves? And I think dentists are our first line of defense when it comes to that. And you guys do offer oral screenings, right? Yes,
we do. At Great Expressions Dental Centers, we understand that recognizing it early is going to increase our survival rate. And so we include visual oral cancer screenings at every dental exam, and even do more in-depth screenings such as oral ID and Visalite.
Well, let's go ahead and grab our supplies. We're talking oral ID, and just a second here we're going to demonstrate what you can expect with Great Expressions. You can go to their website. They're located at quite a few locations all over our area. But let's go ahead and get started with this. So when a patient comes in and we're doing a screening, this is pretty much what they can expect, right?
Yes, ma'am. An oral ID is a special light that helps detect any possible precancerous, cancerous, or abnormal cells in the mouth. So anything that is abnormal, I typically have the patients come back a couple of weeks later to recheck that area. And if it's still present, that's when I go ahead and send them off to the oral surgeon for further evaluation and possible biopsy at that time.
And you also say it's probably a good idea to get a screening done yearly, right?
Yes. Anyone over the age of 17, it is recommended on an annual basis.
Okay. And there are a couple kind of screenings. You were talking visual screenings or the oral ID, but this is something that's a little more in-depth, which is really the difference.
It penetrates the tissue, and it allows to have anything that's abnormal shines very dark, and so it's very easy to see if anything is abnormal in the area.
So this was pretty much it. Pretty simple and painless then,
it's
right?
Quick, it's effective, and it's pain-free. And
if you are, you know, we're talking statistics, a lot of times smoking or those other things can play a role in it, but what are some of those other causes? Because when you're talking about it, you think, okay, I need to make sure there are certain things that I do or don't do to make sure that this doesn't happen to us.
So limiting alcohol use, avoiding tobacco products, and regular dental visits where oral cancer screenings are done are going to be important for prevention.
Well, again, April is a great month to talk about it because it is Oral Cancer Awareness Month, and again, Great Expressions can help you guys out, and you guys pretty much do everything there. It's not just the screenings, but you offer a whole variety.
We do restorative, cosmetic dentistry, Invisalign, whitening, crowns, bridges, dentures. We do everything.
You name it. And then multiple locations. Where you located?
My office is here in Cape Coral, in Southwest Cape Coral, but we have offices all over Southwest Florida.
So if you're looking to get more information on them, I guess your website's certainly a great resource to learn about what you guys do. So you can check them out. Great Expressions. Again, April, Oral Cancer Awareness Month, and do what you can to be proactive, I think, is the takeaway here.
Absolutely.
If you want more information on this segment, head to our website. That is going to be fox4morningblend.com.